not your mama though. Look, I did with the pencils, I did with the books. Snotty noses ain't crying, I'm shook. If you like me and you need a hand, I know fair, I got the master plan. Coolest teacher in the land, the coolest teacher in the land. You say it's you? Stop playing, I'm coolest teacher in the land. Coolest teacher in the land. Coolest teacher in the land. From the A to the H, from the D to Japan. Coolest teacher in the land.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? Chef Praise back in the kitchen again. All right, today, super easy, super simple. We have salmon, honey Dijon salmon to be exact, some broccolini, and we're gonna serve it over rice. It's gonna be bomb. Our vinyl for today, Diana Ross. Now this album actually has the bangers, I'm Coming Out, and Upside Down. Love Diana Ross. This thing actually, when you go like this, look, boom, and then look, boom. Look at her. Come on, get face. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let Dijon roll with this. Remember, y'all can't hear nothing because I am not paying her. All right, y'all see this hat? This is actually my favorite hat. This is my favorite hat because this is the most expensive hat I own. Don't ask me how much it costs. I had to save for it. But just know that this is my favorite, okay? It's actually by an amazing hat company called Gorin Brothers. I'll put them below. Listen, I keep giving all these people shout outs. If anybody want to sponsor me, especially if you be making some nice fedoras, okay, let me know. If y'all want to send me some nice vinyls, you got all the info. All the info is below. So let me know. All right, y'all ready to cook? So we have our broccolini. Now broccolini is like broccoli's sophisticated cousin. So think of your favorite cousin, which in my cousin's case would be me. And that's broccolini, all right? So you see the top is like broccoli, but this is slender, okay? Curls, slender, like me. All right, we have our rice already cooking, because I ain't gonna lie to y'all. For me, rice is the most difficult thing for me. Just like Paul had a thorn in his side, rice is the thorn in my side. So I gotta go in my rice cooker. That's it, okay? The rice is going. We also have some beautiful salmon here already on this greased pan. In addition to that, we got a lime. We have some melted butter, oregano, lemon pepper, garlic powder, minced garlic, Dijon mustard, salt, honey, thyme, black pepper, and olive oil. So first I want to season our broccolini. Really easy seasonings. We're going to do some coarse sea salt. Hear that thing just like pow, 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 pow. It's going everywhere too. Coarse sea salt. Make sure you season it up nice. And do some black pepper. We're going to do some lemon pepper. See, y'all just thought you only use this for wings. No. Come through, learn something new. That's why I'm here. I got you. A little bit more of that. There we go. Because like I said, it has broccoli tendencies, and I hate broccoli, but I actually enjoy broccolini. Some oregano and some garlic powder. Season that up. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna take our olive oil and drizzle it all over there. And then like it's Christmas time, we're gonna wrap this present. Y'all see what I did there? This plan. So we're just gonna fold it over. We're gonna move it around a little bit, get those seasonings and everything going, get them all up in there. We lost one. Ain't trying to be seasoned. All right. Left, right, up, down, shake it. Boom. Fold it. Like so. And then again, like so. And then again. Just boom, your broccolini done. We're gonna put it on the same pan that we're doing our salmon on. So let's make our sauce for our salmon. First up, Dijon mustard. You're going to use about, I have 4 pieces, so I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. We're going to take about 2 tablespoons of melted butter and just pour it in there with the mustard. Honey, we're going to do about a tablespoon of honey, baby. Honey, just right and drip. Honey got me hooked on you. We not paying Mariah, that's what we not doing. Black pepper. Get it all in there. Yeah, boy. Maybe do a little bit of thyme. We're in quarantine, we have plenty of time. And these dad jokes today, I don't know where they're coming from. Shout out to my pops. All right, we're going to use some minced garlic. For me, you can never have too much garlic, so I'm putting about 10. All right, and then normally I would use lemons, but I have a lime today because I don't have any lemons. Amen. I pick up my groceries on Friday. I love quarantine, so we're just gonna zest it. I've already washed it and zest a little bit of it. Like so. Oh. And then I'm going to take the lime, cut it in half. This isn't a big lime either. And go ahead, juice that thing in there. Yeah. Now I know you're like, where's the salt? Where's the salt? The butter I have is salted. Okay? Y'all don't ever come for me about seasoning my food. Be clear. My food is seasoned. Okay? Alright, with everything in there, we're gonna take our spoon and just mix it all up. Stir that thing. And the kitchen wrist with a load of stir. We not paying me go. Alright, once it's together, I'm going to use my other spoon here. Take a little taste, Okay. Who did that, me? I did. Yes, I did. I am going to add a little bit of salt. Use a little bit. We're going to take our non-tasting spoon. Stir it up in there. Alright, now, our salmon. Boom, right here, right there, right there. I'm gonna put it down. Now, have this brush. I have no, other than culinary arts, musical arts, I have no artistic ability. So this is the only painting I get to do. And I'm just gonna take it, we're just gonna paint it on there, okay? Go ahead and cover it. Go ahead and cover each and every piece, each and every crevice. Now I have the salmon skin side down, and I've greased up the aluminum foil with some olive oil so that it doesn't stick. So be sure to do that. And be sure to wash your salmon as well. Yes, I wash everything because sometimes you get some scales and you don't want that in there, or there might be some extra bones. So make sure you do it for your own safety, but if you don't, that's fine, because what do we say here? Work out thine own salvation in fear and trembling. Amen? So we're going to take the rest of this and just pour it on it. Pour it out. Let your love run over. Hey, y'all don't know about that because y'all don't go to church. I'm just playing. Alright, so I'm just going to finish painting it on there. And whoo-wee! Yeah, buddy. Alright, so this is done. That's what it looks like pre. We got our broccolini, our salmon. Our oven has already been preheated at 375. So I'm going to take this bad boy, throw it in the oven for 15 minutes, and then it's done. Then we play, baby. Let's go. Like Chance the Rapper say, and we back, and that's done. Not paying him. Alright, so all we got to do is plate this. Now, let me show you how to plate it, make it look pretty. If you're taking it for lunch, don't worry about plating it because you're just trying to eat. But we're going to start with our rice, perfectly fluffy cooked rice, in our amazing rice cooker. And I'm bought for $20 a long time ago. And I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Because remember, we gotta plate this right for the gram, for nothing else than the gram. Alright, so we got that right in the middle. That's about a serving of rice too. That's what a serving of rice looks like. Y'all be eating more rice than that. You don't need it. So, for the best shots when you're plating multiple things, you want to level things, okay? Leveling helps it to look bigger and just makes it look prettier. So I'm gonna take a piece of, oh my goodness, this salmon when y'all see it. Woo! I'm gonna take a piece of our salmon and we're gonna put it right on top of the rice. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh God. Oh God. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh. And then I'm gonna take a couple pieces of broccolini. We're just, like I said, we're gonna level them. So, go on here. Take another one and put it here. Okay, say one more. Put it here. And then kind of make the bottoms come together. And boom! Do you see what I see? There it is, ladies and gentlemen. It is beautiful. Honey Dijon salmon, rice, broccolini, super easy. You are a confident cook because you're a confident teacher. Get in the kitchen and do it, okay? Stop eating the nasty frozen meals. You can do it. I'm giving you the tools. I'm about to go eat. Coolest teacher in the land. I'm out.